Brushless motor technology, built-in latest 150W brushless motor with 800 hours life expectancy, 4 times longer than ordinary brushed motor with 150 hours, providing high capacity of strong power. More quiet and powerful, provides a stable 15 kPa suction. Detachable battery, with a 2500 mAh capacity rechargeable lithium battery, up to 30 minutes of cord-free cleaning. Clean your 1,500 square feet room on a single charge. And get an extra battery for 60 minutes. Runtime is cost-effective than other brands. The battery could be charged separately. Lightweight and versatile. Comes with 2 serviceable attachments for added versatility. 3.5 pounds lightweight main body makes it operated by one hand with ease. Fast clean the dust on sofa, stairs and furniture. Best choice for home cleaning. User-friendly, LED headlights helps to light up the dark corner. Battery indicator shows the level. 2 kinds of storage take less space. Washable HEPA filter, you need to replace it every 2 months, and more. Humanized design. Environment-friendly, made of sustainable material with such excellent properties as lightweight, heat insulation, sound absorbing, stable and feel good, high efficiency filtration system to protect the air remaining fresh. Have high performance and reliability simultaneously effectively reduce the environmental pollution. HEPA filter. Replacing your filter is essential for maintaining the performance and life of your vacuum. Comparing the prices of other brands' replacement attachments, you can save much from MOOSOO. Get another battery for up to 60 minutes super long runtime according to your needs.